Hey there guys, it's Rosie Like Me here, and today we're going to create our first Python program. I'm not qualified to teach you how to Python because I don't know how to Python, but instead we're learning together on how to Python. You will receive all of my thought process that goes into Pythoning, and without further ado, let's get started. So the one thing that I know is the hello world. So in order to do that, let's go ahead and do print, parentheses, quotation marks, hello world. So what we're doing is telling the computer to print whatever is inside these parentheses. I heard that this is called a string, which is practically a series of characters. So you can also use single quotation marks or apostrophes in this. So we could do hello world, and it should also give us the same output. Now, mind is thinking, what happens if we use, I don't know, hello, my name's Rose? Will that work? No, it won't. Why? I'm thinking that it ended right here, and then everything over here is invalid. Python's like, I don't understand what you're trying to do here. This is not correct. This is not the language that I want. Please fix it. Well, it doesn't work. I mean, we can probably fix that using this. It doesn't run into any code, but instead it will do, hello, my name's Rose. So we could reformat this and fix this by using double quotation marks. Let's go ahead and fix that up. So, hello, my name's Rose. So as you can see, we were able to embed a single quotation mark within our double quotation mark. And now we get what we wanted, right? We wanted, hello, my name, apostrophe S, Rose. So now let's try to tinker around a little bit more. What if we wanted a number? Can we print out a number? Yes, we can. So it printed out 5. Can we use an integer within Python and just say print 5? Yes, we can. And we could step that up again by 5 plus 5. It'll print out 10 rather than 5 plus 5. Now, what happens if we do print quotation marks 5 plus 5? What do you think this will output? Is it going to return 10 or is it going to return 5 plus 5? Let's test that out. It returns 5 plus 5, as expected, because it will return whatever is inside of the quotation marks. Now, have I tinkered around enough? No, I'm curious. What happens if we combine an integer with a string? Can we do that? 5 rows. Will this return anything? No. It's invalid. We can't combine this with that. Can we do, hi, my name is, and then add, say, another string, Rose? Can we do that? Yes, we can. So a string and by putting a plus sign, we can combine strings. Now, let's say, hi, my age is 5. This will work. Now, what if I did, hi, my age is 5? It doesn't work. Why? It gives us an error. In line 15, so type error can only concatenate string, not integer, to string. So in order to fix this, we have to change 5 into a string. And we can do that by doing str5 or str whatever number that we want. So, hi, my age is 5. Or let's do I am 5, right? And now we can do whatever we want within this. So we could do 5 times 5, 25. That's crazy. I think I've done all of the printing that I know how to do for now. But that is all. Thank you for entering my space and learning how to RenPy with me. I said RenPy, but I actually meant Python. or learn Python with me. So that's hilarious. Anyways, 안녕. Till next time.